Halika, anak. Sabi nitong teacher mo, bobo ka raw.
No.
Patunayan mong matalino ka.
Abe, sinabi mo matalino siya, ha?
Matalino.
Magbibigay ako ng tanong. Michael,
Sir?
what is the difference between the sky and the earth?
Easy. Very easy.
Easy, ha?
According to the book of my knowledge, which is the New Revised Britannico Encyclopedia, the difference between the sky and the earth. Sky starts with consonant, while earth starts with a vowel.
Very good, very good.
Okay, now I will ask you a question. A while ago, you asked me what is the difference between. Now, I will ask you what is the similarity.
Ako pa, profesor, tatanungin ako?
Okay.
Shoot!
Shoot. Now, this is my question. Listen very carefully. Now, this is my question. What is the similarity between a bangka?
Similarity between the bank and ano?
That's only my question. Answer it.
Aber, what is the similarity between the banka?
You listen very carefully to my answer. Huh? Okay, now, the similarity between a bangka is a boat. Thank you.